The Maxfoot MF30 is a futuristic and innovative electric tricycle designed for urban riding, off-road exploration, and fitness. It features a 750-watt mid-drive motor and a 48-volt 14-amp-hour lithium battery, providing a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. The MF30 is built with a carbon steel frame, hydraulic disc brakes, and a foldable design for easy storage and transport. It also includes an LCD display showing speed, battery level, distance, and more. With its versatility and cutting-edge features, the Maxfoot MF30 offers a thrilling and convenient electric trike experience. The Lectric XP Trike is a compact and affordable electric tricycle designed for simplicity and reliability. It features a 500-watt rear hub motor and a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour lithium battery, providing a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. The trike is built with an aluminum alloy frame, mechanical disc brakes, and puncture-resistant tires. It also offers a pedal assist mode, allowing users to choose the desired level of motor assistance. The Lectric XP Trike is suitable for anyone seeking an accessible and dependable electric tricycle experience. The Emojo Caddy Pro is a powerful and versatile electric tricycle. It features a 500-watt hub motor and a 48-volt 15-amp-hour lithium battery, providing a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it is suitable for outdoor adventures, heavy-duty carrying, or delivery purposes. The trike is built with a durable aluminum frame, hydraulic disc brakes, and fat tires that can handle various terrains. It also offers comfort features such as an adjustable seat, front suspension fork, and LED lights. Additionally, it comes with 2 large baskets for convenient storage of items. Overall, the Emojo Caddy Pro electric trike offers a reliable and efficient solution for transportation needs. The AddMotor M360 is a sleek and stylish electric tricycle that offers a comfortable and convenient riding experience. It is equipped with a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour lithium battery, providing ample power and a riding range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour, the M360 is suitable for commuting, shopping, or leisurely cruising around town. Its sturdy steel frame, front and rear disc brakes, and 7-speed Shimano transmission ensure reliable performance and control. Additionally, the M360 features a large rear basket capable of holding up to 66 pounds of cargo, adding practicality to its design. The Rad Power Bike's Rad Trike is the ultimate electric tricycle designed for comfort, performance, and functionality. It features a 750-watt geared hub motor and a 48-volt 14 amp-hour lithium battery, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. With a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, the Rad Trike offers ample distance for your journeys. Its custom steel frame, regenerative braking system, and integrated rear differential provide a smooth and stable riding experience, enabling easy and precise turning. The tricycle also comes with an adjustable seat with lumbar support, a front suspension fork, LED lights, a horn bell, and 2 large cargo baskets capable of holding up to 120 pounds of cargo. Whether you're commuting or running errands, the Rad Trike is designed to offer both practical utility and an enjoyable ride.